Okay, welcome. Let's get you into a nice, comfortable position for this 15-minute non-sleep deep rest meditation that's going to focus on the power of loving kindness. Let's begin with your eyes closed. And I'd like you just to take a nice, gentle, deep breath in through the nose. And then just slowly breathe everything out through your mouth as if blowing out through a straw. And then again, another nice big deep breath in through the nose. Feeling your body expand. And then blowing slowly out through your mouth as if blowing out through a straw. Now continue just breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Slowly and gently, slow and low down to the belly, as this tells the nervous system and your brain you are safe. Now just bring your attention to the top of your head, your crown. And with each out breath, I'd like you to invite that part of the body to simply let go. To let go of any tension, any tightness that you are holding on to. So beginning to feel the tension in your scalp, beginning to melt and relax. And around to your forehead. Around to the back of your head. Each out breath helping you let go. And now your attention moving to your left eye. And the muscles behind the left eye, just sinking a little deeper. And then your right eye. Your left cheekbone. Your left ear, slowly down your jawbone to your chin, your right cheekbone, your right ear, and slowly down your jawbone to your chin. And your jaw just relaxing, your tongue resting behind the two top teeth in your mouth, helping you create a little bit of space as your jaw lets go. Your neck all the way down to your left shoulder, just unwinding. And your neck down to your right shoulder, also unwinding, releasing, letting go. And gently breathing into your chest and focusing your attention on your heart area. Feeling your heart to the best of your ability the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. And calling forth an attitude of love and kindness. Repeat deeply inside your mind the following. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. And may I feel loved. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I feel loved. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I feel loved. And just let the energy flow through you for a moment. Getting a sense of what changes within you from saying that mantra. And now bringing your attention to your right chest. Tension just drifting away. Slowly down your body to your stomach. Feeling your stomach rise and fall. And following an out breath all the way to the very end. Noticing a pause before you breathe back in. How quiet and still your mind can become. Focusing around your waist, around your pelvis, and down to your left buttock, your right buttock, your left thigh, melting tension like butter on a warm day. Your right thigh, tension dispersing, healing deeply into your left calf muscle, your right calf muscle. All the way down to your left foot, your right foot, and then your left shoulder, your right shoulder, your left bicep, your right bicep, left elbow, your right elbow, your left forearm, your right forearm, your left wrist, the left back of the hand, your thumb, index finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, right wrist, right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of your hand. Just welcome the feeling of healing flowing through your body right now. As again, you bring your attention to your heart and you picture someone you love. And with an attitude of kindness and love, say deeply inside your mind, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you feel loved. See them smiling at you, grateful for this energy exchange. And once again, you say, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. And may you feel loved. And let the energy of loving kindness continue to flow through you, revitalizing every cell, every muscle, every fiber of your being. And then when you're ready, give yourself an inner smile and feel a sense of gratitude for having the mindset that does this type of work. And if you want to continue lying there or sitting there for a while, just taking in everything you've done today, please continue to do so. It's a wonderful act of self-care. And for those that are interested, there are longer and deeper meditations available on the Another Level channel. The link is in the show notes. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's taken the time to write a review on Apple or on Spotify to let me know what you think of the episodes and the podcast. It says a lot about you, and I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for spending your time and energy with me. I look forward to connecting with you in the next episode.